Hello, namaste. Welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. So, today's pick a card reading topic is a message from goddess. So which goddess has a message for you? So I have three groups for you guys. For group number one, it's Parvati goddess. For group number two, it's Kali goddess, and for group number three, it's Lakshmi goddess. Okay, so what you need to do is to close your eyes, select a group that calls to you. So you can see on the screen, right? So 1, 2 or 3. So close your eyes, relax, and then select a goddess that calls to you, that speaks to you intuitively. Okay, and then you can go to the description box and click your timestamp and just watch the video. Okay, so take your time, pause the video, and then select. And remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings as well, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So I'm gonna start with group number one. If you have resonated with Parvati goddess, let's see what is your message. Okay, so what I'm getting, the first message is for some of you, you have been feeling like you need to get your nose pierced, or some sort of piercing, or some sort of body changes you want to make. So maybe this is the right time to do it. Okay, so maybe go ahead with it. Okay, yeah, by next year do it. Maybe it's in your bucket list, or maybe it's your yeah, you want to make that change. Maybe it's like changing your body, losing weight or gaining weight, building muscles or something like that. Just work on it. Okay, and let's see what is the message from Parvati goddess for you guys. New beginnings. Wow, new beginnings are definitely happening for you guys, and this new beginning is about, for some of you, it's like your own inner child healing. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. So it's like Parvati goddess is here for you guys. It's like sometimes we feel like that, oh, our mother didn't give us that love. Maybe for some of you, you didn't receive that love when you were young, right? But here Parvati goddess is telling you that she is here to mother you. She is here to protect you. You are protected. You are safe in her arms. No matter what you do, no matter what mistakes you make, she will always love you. So that's something I'm feeling here. Okay, she loves you. That's the message here. And I feel like it's like for you guys, you need to let go of your past. You need to let go of your past beliefs that has been given to you. Maybe in your past, because of your parents, you have low self-esteem. For some of you, now it's time to get rid of that low self-esteem. Believe in yourself and understand. If you don't have a good relationship with your mother, and this is a specific message, if you don't have that relationship with your mother, and here Parvati Ma is telling you that she is here for you guys. She is always protecting you. She is there for you. Okay, and she is also telling you to let go of that past. For some of you, it's limited belief that you have to please people, that you have to do certain things this way, that you cannot stand up for yourself, that you cannot express your opinions. Maybe you have, for some of you, it's time to let go of that beliefs that were given to you as a child. Okay, maybe for some of you, you weren't encouraged. Yeah, maybe for some of you had a certain talent and your parents didn't encourage you, and so you left it out. Maybe it's time to start the thing that you always love to do, right? So that's something I'm getting. It's a new birth for you guys, I feel, where you're healing your past, inner child healing. You're making a connection with your inner child. Like I'm getting like I'm seeing an image of a young child who is like crying and they're feeling alone. They're feeling left out. They feel like no one cares for them. And here Parvati Ma is telling you, no, you're not alone. She is always there for you guys. She's always protecting you. Okay, so yes, I feel like it's the time to do that inner child healing, to talk to your inner self, to talk to your past self, and let go of that things that bother you now also. You know, maybe for some of you, you have certain things that bother you about your past. Maybe it's time to talk it out and release those things by crying, or maybe you need to consult a therapist. So it's time to let go of that beliefs, the past beliefs that was given to you as a child. It's time to let go of those things. Now it's a new start for you guys. And yes, you're not alone. Parvati Ma is always there for you. She cares for you, she loves you, she protects you, and you are in her arms and you're protected. Okay, and if you are pregnant right now, your child is protected. You don't have to worry about anything. And yes, you will be a best mom, you will be best father. Okay, don't doubt yourself. You will be able to care for your child. Okay, for some of you, this is a new beginning, new skill that you're learning. Believe in your talents. You know, as a child, sometimes we start something, we are very proud of something, but our parents say, oh, this is not worthy, this is not good, and we lose hope. Then we don't even try it again. Now it's the time to try those things that you always wanted to try it out. Yeah, look, ignite your passion. Yes, it's time to do the things that you always wanted to do. It's time to go for the things that you always love doing. Maybe you love to paint, maybe you love to drive bicycle, ride bicycle, maybe you loved skating, but your parents told don't do it, so you didn't do it. So maybe it's time to do. Even if you're 40, just go for it. Like, that's the thing. It's like healing your inner child, like coming back into that playfulness. Like, it's not becoming childish, but becoming more playful, enjoying life, right? Doing something that you want to do. Like, if you have all 9 to 5 job, do that, but you can make time, like half an hour or 1 hour, for the things that you always loved to do as a child. This is the time to do that. Ignite that. Yeah, make a hobby. Like, if you're stressed, like, instead of like, I'm not capable to do this, my age is gone, instead of thinking about it, do it. Rather, go and do it. Start doing it. Ignite it. Right? This is the time for that. And of course, Parvati Ma is protecting you. Why are you worrying here? Gratitude. Okay, so for sometimes, you know, in life we don't see what we have, what we have accomplished. We only see that what we haven't accomplished in our life. Sometimes we look into other people's life, other people's success, and think that why I don't have that. So it's very easy to be ungrateful. Sometimes we don't see the things that we have accomplished in our life, right? Sometimes we do that. So it's important for you guys to cultivate more gratitude into your life. Maybe you're already grateful, but you need to cultivate it more. Okay, like when you wake up, give the gratitude to the divine. Start your day with a prayer. Then have a journal where you can give gratitude to the list of the people who are doing good to you, or to the things that makes you happy, to the home you have, you know, whatever makes you grateful, write it down. That's very important, because gratitude is the most loving energy, and I feel like you need to cultivate more loving energy into your life. Through gratitude, I feel like you can manifest anything. So if you want to, you know, sometimes we feel like that, why I had to go through that in my childhood. Maybe it's not because you are a mistake. It's not because of it. It's not because you are not worthy. No. It's because you had to learn certain lessons. And that's what Parvati Ma is telling. So let it go. Now your past is not needed, right? There's no need. No need to think about your past. No need, because that's happened. Now you cannot change about it. What you can do is to what can you do to make your present happy? That's what you need to focus on right now. Past is gone, the future is yet to come. So concentrate on your present. Be grateful for the present. So gratitude, 26 number might be important for you guys. If you want to turn your life around, try thankfulness. It will change your life mightily. Gratitude is a powerful kindness energy when expressed outwardly by giving thanks for the richness brought to you by the other people, their services and contribution. Your gratitude builds a feeling of kinship that breaks down all illusion of separateness, right? So that's the thing. So let's see what is the next card. Spread seeds of love and creativity and see them blossom. This is the time to do that. It's the time to ignite your passion, to do something that makes you happy, to plant those seeds with love, and it is going to blossom for you guys. This is the time to do that. This is the time to start something new with this child also. If you want to start something new, go ahead and do it. This is the time to let go of your past mistakes, to love that thing. At that time you did it and it happened and it's okay. Now you know what you don't have to do, right? So just forgive yourself, forgive others, and spread more kindness, spread gratitude, and through gratitude and kindness you will receive that gratitude and kindness back, right? You will receive that happiness back. If you give love, you will receive it back, definitely. And I feel like this is a very fertile time for you to start something new, like to start your passion. Go for it, okay? Yeah, look, we have 8 of Swords and 6 of Cups. Something from your past is bothering you. Now is the time to release that. Okay, maybe this passion, you did it in your past and it didn't work out. So you have this thing, like something related with your past. You are stressing about it now also. You're putting yourself in a box because of your past. So maybe it's time to heal that. Let go of that. Let go of your past mistake. Forgive people. Now move on. Okay, this is what Parvati Ma will help you with. So call upon her. Yeah, now is the time to, maybe for some of you, you need to forgive your father. Or maybe your father figure has put a lot of limitations. They told you to do this, do that. They made you in control. They wanted control. So they controlled you. So maybe that stresses you now also. Maybe when you see him, it stresses you right now also. Maybe it makes you very afraid, or maybe whenever you think about this person, it gives you a lot of anxiety. So here this is the time of healing that, okay, forgiving this person so you can move forward, taking charge of your life. And I'm getting like, expect powerful changes for you guys. Things are going to change up, okay? Things are going to change. This person will understand you. I feel like this person might understand you. Yeah, this is a time of healing. Maybe for some of you, you are like, no, I will not talk to this person. I cannot do this. And take your time. That's what. Take your time. But things are going to change. Your relationship with this person is going to change. That's something I'm getting here. Okay. But right now, what you need to do is to let go of your past. Forgive yourself. Forgive others so you can move forward. Okay. Forgive your father. Father healing is possible at this time. That's what I'm getting here. And yes, you are going to be in your power. You're not going to be in anyone else's power. You're not going to, like sometimes with this 8 of Swords and 6 of Cups, you are in this thing. Yeah, you're thinking about your past and giving control to your past. So I feel like you're taking that power back. That's what you need to do. You need to take that power back and take control of your life. Don't let this past control you now. Don't let your past control your present now. Okay, so let that past go. That's where Parvati Ma will help you. Okay, she's mothering you. And I feel like for many of you, you need to mother yourself. You need to take care of yourself through gratitude, through love. Love yourself. Give gratitude to yourself. Give gratitude to others. Through love and through kindness, you are going to resolve this issue. You are going to let go of this past. That's what I feel. Okay. A cure for longing. Love is happiness, a spark inside. Love deliberately and choose boldly. I'm sorry. Then you have a right. Love is, just read it for yourself. I don't know what I did. Love is happiness, a spark inside. Love deliberately and choose boldly. Then you have a right. Yes, love is the cure for longing. Love is the cure for happiness. Love, 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 love. You need to get into this energy of love more. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of your inner child. Talk to your inner child. Talk to the small child who is left inside of you. And heal that child. Let go of that past limited beliefs. Let go of that past resentments. And work on your passion. Maybe for some of you, because of your past resentments, you're not working on your passions because you believe that, oh, in the past that happened, now also I'm not going to work on it because it will not happen for me, I'm not like that, I cannot do anything. Let go of that, okay, and replace with love, okay. Replace everything in your life with love, because love is the highest vibration, and replace your fear with love. That's what Parvati Ma is telling you. So for some of you, as I told you, maybe you want to pierce your nose. Maybe you're very, very afraid of it. So maybe it's time to let go of that fear. And with love, go for it. Okay? Let's see the charms. What the charms have to add to this. Wow, I'm getting like a good message is coming your way. A message or an announcement is coming your way. Or maybe it's a message from spirit. For some of you, you might travel to spend some quality time with your friends or family or other people you love. Okay, so yeah, maybe for some of you there is good friendship, traveling with your friends, traveling with your loved ones. That's something I'm getting here. Travel, moving forward, not being stuck in your past. Yeah, you will be provided with all the resources that you need. Yeah. And yes, a lot of love, a lot of hope is coming your way. Don't attach yourself to past mistakes, past people. Okay. K. Maybe you're attaching to a person whose name starts with K. I don't know, but for some of you that's specific. You need to let go of that attachment. You need to heal. You need to forgive them so you can move forward. Okay. Forgiveness is needed. Yeah. Get in touch with your emotions, I'm getting. And for some of you, financially also things are going to be stable. Okay, so yeah, your intuition, trust your intuition. Look, expressing yourself. Maybe in your childhood you were not allowed to express, so that's why you don't express yourself now also. So let go of that and express your thoughts, speak your truth. Maybe for some of you, you are good singers, but your family didn't allow. Maybe now it's time to ignite those passion and go for it. Right? Or maybe it's like cycling, you wanted to do that, go for it. Yeah, the key, you have received the key. Now it's time for, now you can only open the lock. It's in your hands. Are you ready? K U C D D. This might be important for you guys. This might be a clue of something. C. Okay. K U C D D Z C. Okay, so that's it for group number 1. I hope you get whatever you want in your life. I hope the very best for you guys. Okay, take care. Bye. Group number 2, if you have resonated with Kali Goddess, let's see what is your message. So what I'm getting, like I'm getting like my third eye. Like I have a pressure here. I feel like maybe for some of you, you're working on your third eye chakra. So yes, and for others, I feel like you're opening up your third eye center. Your vision is going to be very, very clear. That's what Kali Goddess is telling you. So you need to believe in your vision. So believe in your dreams. So for some of you, you're seeing a lot of dreams, also vivid dreams. Maybe it is prophetic dreams for some of you. So you need to, you need to write down the dreams. Maybe for some of you, there are ideas coming your way. That's something I'm getting. And for others, if you feel like you need to pierce your nose, go for it. Okay, if you have been wanting to pierce your nose for a long time, it's the time. Right now is the time. It's just a specific message for some of you. It's like, yes, now is the time to pierce your nose. And if you already have that, I feel like it is a good thing that you have it. Okay, I feel like it's good to have that piercing. Like I don't know, yeah. And I feel like the universe, the cosmos are right now with you, even though you don't feel like that. Like you feel like the universe is against you, the cosmos are against you. No, they are with you. Kali Ma is with you. Kali Goddess is with you. She's blessing you. It's like. Yeah, she's definitely there for you guys, and she's telling you to believe in your own vision, believe in your own ideas, believe in your own capabilities. Okay, yeah, spiritual awakening is also something I'm getting with this third eye. So maybe for some of you, because I had a strong pressure was there in my third eye. So I feel like for many of you, this is like you are clairvoyant. You can see the images, but you don't trust your intuition here. So for some of you, that's what Kali Ma is telling you, to trust it. Universe is with you. Work with the moon phases here. Whenever you feel like your emotions are very high and up and down, check the moon phases. Maybe your moon is affecting you. Okay, and at the time, whenever you receive a message, write it down. Write down. Okay, write down those messages. So that's what I'm getting here. So let's see. We have the first card is Yuga Shakti, number 4. So yeah, definitely change is coming your way. Definitely change is coming. Things are not going to be the same like this. So maybe for some of you dealing with a lot of problems right now, something is not happening the way it should happen. And so I'm getting here, things are going to be changing. New start is coming. This is not the time. At the divine timing, right now is not the time. At the divine timing, things are going to change, and Kali Ma is there. Next chapter is going to begin for you guys. The cosmos, universe are doing the work for you guys. Things are going to align for you guys. But right now, what you need to do is to balance yourself. So maybe you're putting a lot of stress on you. You're getting into negative habits. For some of you, negative habits as well. Okay, maybe you're smoking a lot. Maybe you're drinking a lot. So let go of that habit. Or maybe you put your thoughts. Your thoughts are becoming very, very negative right now. That's what you need to balance right now, group number 2, because it's not permanent. This thing is not permanent. Whatever you're going through in your life right now, it's not permanent. So don't think that this is only going to happen, this is my life. No, it's just a temporary thing. It's just a temporary thing. Here Kali Ma is telling, next chapter is going to come. Now is not the time. So don't attach yourself with the past pain as well. So maybe for some of you, because of your past, you're thinking about it, you're getting a lot of negative. You're becoming negative right now. And when we become negative from inside, we think negative thoughts, we say negative words. The tongue, the tongue is also very important. So there is a book written by Florence Scovel Shinn about your word is your wand, right? So what you're speaking is very important. Your thoughts are important. Your words are also important. So what you're talking, if you're talking lack, if you're talking about the negative things that you have in your life right now, that is going to manifest. So let go of that. Your speech should be very good. So think before you talk. Okay. And yeah, the confusion is going to change. Right now you're very confused. Things are going to happen at the correct timing. Yeah. But if you put more negativity into this thing, things will take more time. So that's why your third eye is opening up. You're going through a spiritual awakening for some of you. So don't put too much negativity. Just come back. Balance yourself. Balance is needed right now. Meditation is definitely needed for you guys. Okay. So take note of what you're speaking, what you're thinking. Okay. And again, we have this nose ring here. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you want to do it. Okay. Let's see the next card here. Wow, look. Follow the voice of your soul. You need to follow your voice of your soul, but you're not able to listen to your soul because you're putting yourself in this negativity. Why this thing happened? What is happening in my life? Why I have to go through this? Why I did go through this thing? In your past, why I had to do this? Why others have such a lovely life? Why I didn't have in the past? Maybe you're thinking a lot. Maybe you're attaching yourself to your past pain a lot. Or maybe something happened and you're like, past also this happened. Now also this is happening. So what is happening is you're not able to listen to your heart. And your heart is guiding you. Kali Ma is giving you messages, but right now you're not able to listen to it. So that's why you need to balance yourself right now. Meditate. Listen to your you're not listening right now. That's the problem. You're not listening to intuition right now. So you need to get in touch with the universe. You need to go out in the nature, relax. At least listen to music, good music. Let go of the stress, let go of the negative habits that you have. What negative habits you have started again, guys? You need to let it go. Okay. Are you thinking about your past all the time? What are your words? Yeah. When you look into the mirror, what words are you talking? Like, what are you speaking for yourself? Okay. So you need to make that change here. And with the star ancestors, definitely you will receive the message very soon, but you need to let go of that negativity. Okay. And A new news is coming your way. A new chapter is coming. Definitely. A new chapter is coming here. Okay. So what you are saying, what you are thinking is very important. So let go of that. Let go of your addictions. Let go of that negative thinking. You need to make that change right now. Yeah. Look at the card again. We have number 13 and we have number 13 again, and maybe number 13 is important for you guys, and number 4 is about stability, structure. Maybe in your relationship things didn't happen the way it should happen. That's why you're questioning. In the past also this happened, so you are not thinking from the clear mind right now. You're not thinking, you're not listening to your heart right now. And yes, this is going to change very soon. Thanks to impermanence, everything is possible. When you can accept the impermanence of life, that everything is subject to change and that everyone will experience the ever-changing nature of life, you allow your faith to be renewed, hope to blossom, and every moment become precious, right? Yes, this is what you need to contemplate right now, that everything changes. Nothing is permanent. This thing is also not going to be permanent. You will not feel like this with the whole life. You are not going to feel like this. Right now you're feeling it and you're putting too much of negativity into that right now, right? So that's why you need to let it go, so you can listen to your heart center more. You can listen, you can because you're with this third eye opening up, I feel like you will get your answers very clearly, but right now you're not focusing on that. So you need to meditate and understand things will change. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent in life. This thing is not going to be permanent. Okay, so understand that. And I'm feeling like definitely there is a structure, stability coming your way. Right now you're not feeling like it. You're in an instability. I'm getting like unstable, feeling unstable right now, not feeling stable from inside. So it's like your outer circumstances are unstable. You're not feeling stable, but inside you can feel stable. That's what Kali Ma is telling you. You have the power to feel like that. So you need to shift that. Okay, let outward deeds and words match inner feelings. Wow, yeah. So maybe for some of you it's like you say, yeah, I'll do this, but you don't do it. Like some of you are like, yeah, I need to, you think, yes, I need to work on my spiritual gifts, I need to meditate, but you don't do it. So you say something, you do something. So things should be not like that, right? You say, you know that, maybe for some of you know that you shouldn't think like this, and you say that to yourself, but you don't do it. Okay, maybe you think like, yeah, I need to stop smoking, but after 5 minutes you go and smoke. It is not matching right now, right? So your heart is saying that don't smoke, but you're not doing it. Maybe you're not listening to your heart right now. You know it. For some of you it's like you know it, that you shouldn't do it, but you do it anyways. So that's why. There are people around us also who say that they love us. They say it very nicely, but but their actions are not like that, right? So what you are feeling, that is what you need to do right now. Okay, that is a message from Kali Ma for you guys. Yeah. Look, devil energy, lot of negative thinking, overthinking. Maybe for some of you an addiction, as I told you, there is an addiction. Maybe lot of eating or putting yourself with people who are toxic. You need to let go of these things. You are so attached. For some of you, this is an attachment that you have to a person, and it's becoming, it's a blockage in your path right now. You need to let go of it. And here Kali Ma is telling you to free yourself from this thing. And look, Queen of Wands energy, she's freeing herself. She's feeling so happy. She's not trapped anymore. So this is where you need to go right now in your life. So you need to free yourself from your own thinking, your own fear, your own addictions, and what you feel like. Do it. It's like, I feel like you know that you shouldn't do it, but you do it anyways. So that your actions should align with your heart, and then only you will see the light. Now you're not seeing the light. You're not listening to your soul. Things are going to change, but you need to change first. When your inner changes, that is when the outer changes, right? So when you make a decision, yes, I'm going to do this anyways, I'm not going to eat this thing today, so don't eat it. I don't want to talk to this person anymore, so don't do it. Yeah, so that's what I will not think like this. When I'm getting into this thinking, I will just meditate, so do that. Whenever I am overthinking, I will just journal. Whenever I'm overthinking, I'll just call my friend. Like do that. Okay. Yeah, you need to free yourself with this birds here. You need to free yourself from overthinking. That's what Kali Ma is telling here. Through meditation, through spiritual practice, only that is possible right now. Or through, I'm hearing for some of you, you have been thinking to do, yeah, you have been like just piercing your nose. You want to do that. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Or maybe a tattoo, you want to get it. You have been thinking about it, but you haven't done it. So go and do it. For some of you, you have been thinking like you need to move out of this place and move out of this person's home. Do it. Free yourself, because Kali Ma is there for you guys. She is giving you the courage. Okay. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. When you get out of the space, when you free yourself from this negativity, that is the time things will balance for you guys. That is the time the things will grow. Like the plant is growing, right? The seeds are coming, the flowers. It is going to blossom. Otherwise, it will not blossom. Right? When you don't free yourself, the plant will get dried out. It will not blossom. It's like you're planting you're like it's a seed. You are planting a seed, and then you want to grow. You want that seed to grow into a plant, but you're not watering it. You're not nurturing it. You're not giving that positive attitude. So what will happen? That plant will die, right? So that's what you are doing to yourself. You are thinking negatively. You're using negative feelings. So you're putting yourself in a prison right now because of this thing. So you need to let it go. Let that addiction go. Then only you are going to blossom. Then only things will be balanced for you guys. So first you need to find that balance, inner balance. For that, spiritual practice is only going to work. Call Kali Ma for help, or any other goddess or any other deity that you believe in, or spirit. They will help you. Okay. And the last card here is intuition. Oh wow, but you are thinking too negatively right now, and that's what you need to break free from right now. Or maybe a person who is influencing you in a negative way, but you know that this person is influencing you in a negative way, so you need to let this person go and free yourself. Okay. Maybe from a home you need to free yourself. Like it's like a relationship is not working and you are realizing it. You're realizing that this person is manipulating you. You're realizing, but you're not ready to get out because of your fear. But your heart is telling you to get out. So you need to do that right now. And right now you feel like, why this is happening? Why I cannot stay in relationship? Right? Maybe this is not meant for you. Maybe something better is coming your way. So don't put yourself in a place where you're not feeling happy. Get out of that place. That's what I feel like. Things will get better. Things are going to align. If you are in a place where like you're in a place right now where you're not getting food, water, then how are you going to survive? So you need to get out of it. Get out of that place and to go to a place where you will get that food, water, right? I'm saying metaphorically right now. So yeah, that's the thing. If it's resonating, you will understand. I feel like that. So intuition, simple, complex words of pain or words that heal. You come to know truth by the way that it feels. You know it. You know it in your heart. You're denying it right now. That is what. Denial will not give you anything. You need to accept it. Move on. That's what Kali Ma is telling you right now. Okay. So let's see the charms. What the charms have to add to it. Yeah, letting go. Letting go. Maybe getting out. Maybe this is a home. You need to let go of this thing. Let go of a person. Let go of toxic environment. Something. Or let go of a... you thought that this thing will happen this way. It didn't happen. You need to let go of it. Music. Meditation music. Music will give you answers. Listen to good music. Okay. Yeah, there is so much more you can accomplish in your life, but right now you're feeling like no, you cannot do it. Things are coming for you guys. Things will happen. You need to get out of this shell, your own negative thinking. You're putting yourself in a shell. Get out. And we have 2 letters. Maybe this is a clue. E and Z. Okay, so that is the message from Kalima for group number 2. I hope you take care of yourself. Bye bye. Sending you much love and light. Group number 3, if you have resonated with Lakshmi Goddess, let's see what is your message. So I'm getting like financially things are going to be okay for you guys. That's the first message. Lakshmi Ma is blessing you with that. And enlightenment. So things, confusion is going to go away. Things are going to be very, very clear for you guys. I am getting that also. And for some of you, if you're trying to lose weight, or if you are if you're trying to change your style, or if you're working on your body and all, something like that, I feel like things are going to get better and better. You're going to have a major glow up, and you're going to glow. That's something I'm getting here. And here the Lakshmi Goddess is also telling you, you are beautiful the way you are. So yeah, don't compare yourself to anyone. You look beautiful. You are beautiful. Okay, and she is like telling you that you are beautiful. You're very beautiful people. You're very beautiful souls, inside and out. I feel like that, and that's a message. Okay, for some of you, water might be very important. So your emotions are going to be very important. Your intuition is going to be very strong. So maybe if you can go out near a water body, go out and do that. Maybe for some of you, this is a message to use do water manifestations, because that will be very helpful for you guys. Using water, you can manifest things very easily. Okay, and I feel like you're very, very protected. You're very, very safe. So even though sometimes, you know, I'm getting like even though you're going out, for example, this is just an example, like you go out and you lose your stuff. It's like, oh my god, why I lost my stuff. You will be like, you will be stressing about it, and after some time you will receive that stuff back, right? Whatever you are losing, you will receive it back. Okay, you're very protected. Divine protection is around you. That's something I'm getting here. Someone will come back and lose it. Oh, someone will come back and give it back to you. So yeah, that's something I'm getting. You're very blessed people here. Divine mother, like motherly energy, I'm getting very strong from you guys. So yeah, let's see. Wow, we have Karma of Kali. So for some of you, you have a skill, you have a talent. Maybe you do something with your hands. Maybe you have a talent, but you doubt yourself, you undervalue yourself. Don't undervalue yourself, because you're very talented people. You're very talented people. And I'm getting that maybe for some of you, you will recognize your own talents or some new talents you have, and that will give you a lot of benefit, like passive income for some of you. Through that talent, you might be able to make a lot of income. That's something I'm getting. Are you like listening to a lot of money affirmations or something like that? If that is, you're doing that, it's working for you guys. I'm getting like that. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, you want to quit your job and do something that you are interested in, like some skills you have. So if you want to do it, I feel like your Lakshmi Ma is telling you that you will be very good at it. You will be able to make that money. Okay, financially, don't worry about it. So whatever you're worrying right now, it is not going to be a concern for you guys in the coming months. I feel like that. So yeah, if you're stressing about your money, then you will not be stressing, and like next year you will not be doing that. You will not be stressing about those things at all. Okay, and I'm getting like building blocks. You're building something, you're brick by brick, you're going slow, step by step. You're not in a hurry anyways, and that's a very good energy I'm getting. Your energy is good. I feel like that. So yeah, you're going brick by brick. You're understanding that you have to go brick by brick. Otherwise, if you are in a hurry, all the bricks will fall. If the foundation is not strong, everything will fall apart. So you're going slow. You're learning this skill. You're going step by step. You're not in a hurry, and that's very good. Okay. And maybe for some of you, you're wanting to buy some jewelry or something like that. If that's the case, go for it. Okay, you will have the money to buy that. Okay, if you're saving for something, you will have it. And with this lotus, you're going to blossom. As I told you, a major glow up transformation is happening for you guys. So yes, you're beautiful. You're beautiful the way you are, okay? And I'm getting like your confidence is going to shine through. You're going to be very, if you're not confident about your skill right now, I don't feel that is going to be the case, because you're going to build that confidence up like brick by brick. You're going to be center stage spotlight. That's also I'm getting. So for some of you, you are getting recognized for your work. So maybe you have been like, oh my god, when this will happen? You have been working. For some of you, it's like you have been working. You're not getting where you want to be, but you are, okay. Okay, yeah, Aquarius season might be very important for you guys, because I'm seeing the 11 number and I'm getting like 11th house Aquarius for some of you. Yeah, I'm getting Aquarius for some reason, and Aquarius is also about stars, so it's also about spotlight, right? Being seen by other people in some way. Wow, yeah. Being seen for your skills. Yes. Maybe your hands are your magic. You create something beautiful from your hands. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here. So yeah, and the divine feminine energies. So yes, don't overwork. Maybe you're overworking, so relax, take a break, connect with your divine feminine. And yes, you're very divine feminine. I'm getting that empress vibes from you guys. So with this Lakshmi Ma also, you create. When you rest to create. Like while resting, you will make money, like passive income for some of you. Definitely that's going to happen for you guys. If you want to offer flowers, or if you want to buy flowers for someone, go ahead and do it, okay? Yeah, maybe you do something with flowers as well. That's going to work for you guys, okay? Networking, yeah. Maybe you're on social media, so yeah, something is going to happen. Blessings are coming your way, guys. In social media, you might be getting recognized for your work. Congratulations. So yeah, something like that. Or maybe you're into nail art or something like that. You're going to do good. So your skills are going to be recognized. People will appreciate your skills. And yeah, that's what. That's what, even if you're a stay-at-home person, like your cooking skills, or the way you handle kids, the way you handle the home, people will appreciate you. So a lot of appreciation, recognition is coming your way. That's for sure. That's what I'm getting. You're going to be in this divine feminine energy where you're resting to create. You're not going to overwork. And perfectionism is also something I'm seeing for you guys. So let go of that perfectionism. And I feel like sometimes, imperfect things are perfect in their own ways. Does that make sense? I don't know, but like something you create something imperfect, but that will be liked by people, because that sometimes imperfection is also awesome. You don't have to be perfect all the time, right? That's something I'm getting here. Okay, let's see. Wow, yeah, be devoted and committed. Practice, guys, practice again the hand. He's writing. Maybe you want to write a book, maybe you want to cook, maybe you do something artistic, whatever you're doing, right, with your hands, whatever, maybe Reiki, whatever you're learning, be committed, keep on working on it, because this is going to give you a lot of good fortune. Okay, so with this sage is also about hermit. Maybe you're doing it by yourself at home. Maybe you have a 9-to-5 job, and after coming from home, you just practice. So if you're doing that, the thing that you're practicing it will give you a lot of success. Okay, so be committed, keep on working on it, and you're going to become the masters. You're going to master that skill. So maybe you have a skill, you have recognized it, you're working towards it, or maybe you have it but you're not working towards it. So maybe it's time to work towards it, because this is going to give you a lot of good opportunities in your life. Okay, and we have energy, 36 number. You are never alone or helpless. The force that guides the stars the stars guides you too. So yes, definitely your spirit guides, your angels, Parvati Ma. I'm getting Parvati Ma as well. Maybe you were resonating with group number 1 as well. Okay, Lakshmi Ma is all with you. Okay, you are going to, I feel like the thing that makes you fearful right now will not make you fearful in the future. You will be very confident about it. So some of the insecurities that you have right now, you're letting it go and becoming more confident. Okay, so maybe you were insecure about your nose, and in the future what I see is like you are going to not be insecure about it, and you will be confident about it. Like your confidence is going to shine. You're not insecure anymore about anything, about your money, about your finances, about your relationship. Nothing. No insecurity I'm getting for you guys, because you are because you are so in touch with your divine feminine, and you are touch with your ancestors, you're in touch with your spirit guides, so you don't have to worry about it, right? You believe in yourself, you believe in them. So energy is more than just cultivating physical boundless energy. It is making the connection with the universal life force that motivates all creations in the universe and in you. This is the cultivation card, and I feel like you are in alignment with the universe, and the universe is telling you, do it. Like, keep on working on it, keep on working, because you will receive a lot of messages, so you can make that connection very strong. So what are you doing is working right now. Your energy is very aligned with the universe. Keep on doing it, keep on doing it. Okay, you receive signs and messages from universe, and believe in it. And I don't know why I'm getting this Brain Scott. There's a YouTube channel, Brain Scott Reality Revolution. He has so many awesome videos and meditations, guys. I'm just recommending to you guys. I don't know, I felt called to say this here. So maybe you will be you will get good information there, maybe some sort of information there, or some meditations that will help you to build that connection with the universe. Okay, so yes, go for it. And we have number 36, and we have number 38 as well. 9. So 9. Sagittarius vibes, Aquarius vibes. It's all about like exploring, adventurous vibes I'm getting. Exploring things that about yourself that you don't know. Yeah, something. Surprising yourself. Surprising yourself. Getting surprised by the signs from the universe. Getting surprised by how universe works, how energy works. And I'm getting like you are going to make good use of these energies. Yeah, you're not going to overwork. You're only going to work when the energy is correct. You know that, when to work, when to rest. Wow. Yeah, Raven, again, connection with spirit, connection with your spirit guides, connection with your ancestors. You receive messages. Yes, the connection is building up. The connection is very strong. If you're working on it, yes, you are doing the correct thing. I feel like this pile is on the correct path. So if you have this new skill, if you have been feeling called to work on that skill, go ahead, because this will give you a lot of success in the future. Definitely, this pile is all about making a connection with the universe, being in the divine feminine, resting to create, like taking rest so you can create, right? You're not into that masculine energy. Everything is balanced for you guys. You know when to rest, when to take action. Wow. Listen to your intuition to receive a message from the world of spirit or a friend. So definitely you're very spiritual as well. Spiritual progress is also I'm seeing for you guys. And with this Hermit also, Hermit is someone who finds the light within, right? You're doing that. You're finding that light within. You're finding that treasures that you have inside of you. You're not going out and looking, oh, this person has this person have that, oh my god, why I don't have anything. No, you're not doing that anymore. You're like listening to your heart. Yes, I have this, I can make good use of it, and you're working on it. Beautiful. And we have the Peacock also. So Krishna is also there for you guys. I feel like, yeah, you're healing your heart. Look, 2 of Cups, divine feminine and divine masculine. For some of you, this can be a relationship also, where you are meeting your twin flame, or I don't know, soulmate. But definitely that is also happening. So yeah, you're healing your heart. You're healing your heart. You're making, and this is for me with your energies. It's like you're making a connection with the universe. Universe and you are coming together. You two are creating things. You're co-creating with the universe, right? So yeah, that's something I'm getting. Look at the rainbows here. Like I'm getting the rainbow colors. So things are going to be very colorful for you guys. So your past, you're not the past, you have crossed the threshold. I feel like now, no going to past. nothing of that sort. You're a completely different person. You have been transformed. You're someone else. You're not the person that you were. And yeah, you're confident, you're believing in yourself, and yeah, I feel like you have been healing a lot. You have healed a lot of issues from your past. Now you are aligning with the universe. You're aligning with the divine feminine and divine masculine. So the energies within you is coming together. The energy is very good for you guys. Yes. You're working with the higher power to create abundance into your life. For some of you, a relationship as well. So if your past relationship haven't worked, I feel like you're going to meet this person who will give you what you want, like a very balanced relationship. The energy is awesome for you guys, and you're very powerful manifestors, I have to tell you. Yeah, again, Six of Swords, rainbows. Here also we have the rainbows. Definitely Six of Swords, moving to a better place in your life, to the calmer waters. This, you're healing all these things from your past. Now you're moving, you're aligning yourself, spirit, you're aligning yourself with spirit. That's what I have to say. And with this Daughter of Pentacles, learning a lot of a new skill you're learning that will give you that success. And Page of Wands, like sorry, Page of Pentacles, this is Page of Pentacles, and Page of Pentacles is about new information regarding work. So maybe getting offers, and that will give you a lot of fortune. Maybe working with brands, so something like that. But definitely you're learning right now, you're learning a skill right now, and you're going to master that skill. And the good thing is that you're working with universe. Wow. So yeah, I feel like things are going good for you guys. Then we have silent skill. I challenge you to unpack your mind in meditation grace. The soul can invite. Breathe in, breathe out, let go of doubt. So maybe right now also you have the skill, but you're doubting yourself. You're getting into that perfectionism mode and all. So let go of that perfectionism. Believe in yourself. Believe in your capabilities. Believe in your skills. And whenever you doubt yourself, align with the energy of the universe or the deities you believe in, because you have a strong connection. So cultivate it more and more, because your life is going to be magical. And when we are working with the universal energy, things will be easy. Things will be easy for you guys, okay? And that's so awesome. Wow, let's see the charms. What the charms have to add to this? Oh, we have number 2. Look at it. We got the 2 of Cups. So divine feminine, divine masculine, unity, cooperation, working with people, collaborating with people. You are uniting within yourself. Your energies are uniting. You're balanced. You're balanced from inside. You're not stressing about. You don't care about the outer world. What is happening? You know, if you like, sometimes when we hear news media, we stress, but you're not going, these all things are not going to affect you anymore, because you have that balance, because you know that spirit is there for you to, you have someone looking over you. So yeah, let's see. And if you're already in a relationship, this relationship is going to balance. You're going to let go of that past hurts, and your partner and you are going to come together, because you are changing as a person. You're changing so much. When we align with the universal energy, we change, right? We let go of that envy, we let go of that jealousy, because we know there is that we are protected, that everything is awesome. Like, there's so much hope in this pile. And yeah, wow. So let's see. Like, oh, a lot of teaching and learning a skill, making mistakes, then learning, then mastering those skills. Okay, yeah. And we have, like, yeah, healing again, crying a lot, healing a lot of past things, making like accepting your truth, accepting the past and moving on, right? So yes, you're healing a lot. You're healing your past, definitely. And that's why your energies are coming together. Yeah. You're working on yourself. You're working on the shadow. You know, your shadow self. You have been working. You have been doing the work. And I'm proud of you guys. I think Lakshmi Ma is also proud of you. Yeah, independence. Claiming your independence. Claiming your power. Not giving your power to anyone. Becoming financially independent. Not afraid to go solo. Like, playful energy as well. Like, yeah. A lot of playfulness. For some of you, traveling also I'm getting. Yeah, freeing yourself from the past, flying high. Maybe you see lot of birds, or maybe your spirit guides, angels connect you with the birds, okay, or dolphins as well. Yeah, fairies, wow. Playful energy is needed. Put more playful. You know, stress. Maybe you now also stress. Don't stress. Little more playfulness is needed in your life. You're very courageous. Keep on moving forward. Look, the growth, growth. You're going to grow. There's a lot of growth happening for you guys, and a lot of abundance. We have the grapes, right? Yeah. Then maybe G letter is important for you guys. We have a heart also, so G. Okay. Then we have a Q, then we have a T, we have a O, we have a N, then we have S, then we have P, then we have D, and we have a bear, like a lot of protection is there around you. Of course, you are connected with universal energy, you are protected. And we have number 7, a lot of learning, meditation, right? Making connection with the universe. Okay, so those are your letters. Okay, so that's the message for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.